Introducing Magic Duster Domestic Services, a secure niche cleaning business in the Blue Mountains, New South Wales. Established by the current owner in January 2013, Magic Duster has delivered steady growth, loyal clients, good turnover and profits. With professional trained staff in place, this business can be easily run with little hands-on participation from the owner. The business has a large variety of clients, including residential, professional, holiday rental, real estate, builders, and a university campus. The sale includes all general cleaning equipment, ladders and products, plus the option to buy the sign-written Kia Sportage 2013. Magic Duster services the western slopes of the beautiful Blue Mountains, including Lithgow, Mount Wilson, Hartley and surrounding areas. With a database of 200 plus, the business comes with an active website, catchy business name, low overheads and a great reputation. There is little competition in this niche market, no rental premises, and the business is registered as an NDIS service provider. The excellent reliable staff have been fully trained to meet company standards, and industry procedures and policies are in place. This is a great opportunity to continue expansion of a successful and sustainable business, and an induction program is included.